Hare Krishna, all goes to Srila Prabhupada. Welcome to this online special class on a very, very auspicious Ekadasi day. So, today the topics is very nice. It is books are the basis. This is a favorite topics of Srila Prabhupada, favorite quotation of the Srila Prabhupada. The books are the basis. Jnanati mirandasya gananjana salakaya chakkhunana miletanjena tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So today's is a very beautiful topics because this today's situation is so rampantly seen and palpably felt that there is a stagnation in the Hare Krishna movement due to insufficient reading of the books. That has been felt. Just last week I saw one interview with the ISKCON GBC. They're showing that Giriraj Swami and their enforcement. There is an enforcement of reading Prabhupada books. Why? Why there is an enforcement? Because books are the basis and Hare Krishna movement is standing on the Bhakti Vedanta purport. Without Bhakti Vedanta purport, we cannot even, it cannot, stand whole movement. So we have to, the most potent way to transform the heart is the reading the books, ABC, association books and chanting. Today I will not talk about the association and chanting. In another class we will club together and chant all the three. The secret to success or advance in Krishna consciousness is ABC, association and books. Today books are the basis. So books is the very, very important. Books are the basis. Without knowledge, first thing is Prabhupada said knowledge. Without knowledge we cannot execute devotional service. We cannot preach. We cannot ourselves also convince. We will not have the strong faith to execute Krishna consciousness. So reading is very, very important things. And that is very much lacking. And that results the stagnation of bhakti. Jeopardize our bhakti even. Not only stagnate, it jeopardize. So reading regularly is very important. Prabhupada always emphatically stressed that regularly read my books. In Prabhupada written 80 volumes of books which has been translated nearly 100 languages. 80 volumes of books. And every day morning he got up, wherever in the world, he got up every day at early morning and write books. That is his favorite. He told my favorite work is to translate these books. And he used to translate this book. That is the outstanding contribution. And he himself considered that it's a very outstanding and an important contribution to the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that Srila Prabhupada rendered and translated all these Sanskrit language and Bengali language books into the English language. To allow the access to many peoples in the world. And not only that, his famous purport is very, very very important. He told my purport is my ecstasy. In purport he explains further the real meanings of these verses, real meaning of the translation, and particularly the word by word translation also very important. So Prabhupada used to read himself his own books. And he told that every day I read my books, I learn something from them. Because every morning I get up, I do not write these books. Whenever I get up early morning, Krishna comes and personally detect me to write. Therefore I read every day to learn something from them. It's detection of the Krishna. Therefore I read my books. This was the response of Prabhupada. Therefore he emphatically stressed, no, everybody should read regularly these books. Regularly these books. Otherwise there is no question of advancement. Because our main problem is that we have turned away from the Krishna. And that only one action has made, has turned into a existential disharmony, existential dilemma. And we are according to Bhagavad Gita, we are in a spiritual disease condition. Our so-called material desire, being a spiritual, we are spiritual being encaged in the material body and seeking for material pleasure. That is existential disharmony. This is called fundamental incompatibility. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita says that we are in disease conditions. Therefore, we are suffering, undergoing repeated birth and death, from one species, going from one species to another species, transformating from one species, transmigrating from one species to another species. This is only one thing, one problem. So to transform our desire, to transfer our desire from matter to spirit and absolute spirit, Krishna, we need to cure this disease. We need purification, and that hearing is the potent medicine. In this age of Kali, particularly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended that hearing, Kirtaniya Sadahari. Hearing is the potent medicine to cure our disease. Nirvitat Seirupagiyamanat Bhavo Sadhu Sutas Sutamanobhiramad Kauttam Sloki Gunanubada Puman Virajyata Vinapasughnat. It is said in chapter 10 and test 1, Srimad Bhagavatam 1:4, it is said that the potent medicine is the description of the Lord's activities. To chant and hear the description of the Lord's activity, the potent medicine to cure this disease. Nirvritat Seirupagiyamanat Bhavosadu Manoviradam. Kauttam Sloki Gunanubadat. I will show you this verse, beautiful verses from Srimad Bhagavatam 10:1-4. Which says that, 10:1-4 of the verses, which says that the description of the pastime of the Lord. You can see here, Nirvitati Seir Upagiyamanat Bhavosadu Manoviramat Kauttam Sloki Gunanubadat Puman Virajyata Vinapasughanat. So it is said that who is that person who will not be interested to hear, because this is only medicine to cure our disease, to stop the undergoing process of repeated birth and death. Therefore, the books are the basis. Reading means hearing also. You have to read. You have to read. Regularly you have to read. Nityam Bhagavata Seva Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistike. Nityam Bhagavata Seva. Prabhupada introduced the reading of Bhagavatam every day morning. That is the thing, to purify our, what we say, cure our disease, the disease, material disease. It is for that. And not only that, Krishna says that in 1-17 in Bhagavatam, it is said that Sunmatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarvana Kirtana Hudantastani Avadrani Vidunati. It now cleanses. We need to disinfect our disease, our material disease, that we are so much attached to. We are not interested to read this, hearing the Krishna Katha. Because in a spiritual disease condition, just like a person who is infected by the jaundice, he will not be, for him, the sweet is bitter taste. Similarly, we are infected materially. And the Krishna Katha, we are not interested in Krishna Katha. Surtabadini Rajendra Ninnam Santi Sahasa Apasattam Atma Tattvam. We are blind to this hearing of Krishna Katha. But we are interested in all this kind of, whimsical, useless vibration of the sound from the radio, television, from YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and what not. What not. Because of this material disease, we are so much interested to take this poison, but we are not interested to take the nectar of Krishna Katha. Sinnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarvana Kirtana. It's Punya, pure nectar. This nectar, simply by hearing, when the vibration goes into our ear, it will purify. Even though we are not attentive or we do not like even, still it is purifying. Still its purification is there. Therefore it is recommended highly that here, the bhakti begins with here. The medicine is only potent because of hearing. Therefore, books are the basis, books are the important. Reading books regularly, Prabhupada books, is imperative for every disciple of Srila Prabhupada in order to really cure this material disease. Kunti Devi is saying, Sunnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarva Sravanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasa Smaranti Nandanti Tavahita Jena Tavahita Janam. What is that? Sravanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasa Sravanti Gan. There is a beautiful verse, 1836. Forget 1836. It is said that Sravanti Gayanti, yes. Sravanti Gayanti Grinanti Aviksnasaha Smaranti Nandanti Tavahita Janam Toeva Paschanti Achirena Bhava Prabhavakam Bhava Pravaha Uparamam Prapadam Mujam. It is said that if one is hearing this katha, then what will happen? What is the benefit of that? Toeva Paschanti Achirena. He will see your lotus feet and he will stop this Bhava Pravaha, means the repetition of birth death will be ceased. If one is hearing your Krishna Katha, that is the benefit of hearing the Krishna Katha. It's so potent, so hearing, so sublime method. Therefore Krishna is coming. Whole idea, whole mission of Krishna is coming so that he will enact so wonderful pastime. We will be attracted to hear that pastime and purify, go back to him. That's what he is saying. That he says that, Krishna says in Srimad Bhagavatam 10:33-36 that Anugrahasya Bhaktana Manusim Deha Astitaha. Why Krishna comes in this material world? Why he descends? Because he wants to help us. He wants that we are hearing so many unnecessary, whimsical, useless things, nonsense things, and which has no benefit. So Krishna has come to divert our hearing process, divert our attention of hearing all these nonsensical things, and to Krishna Katha. That is whole idea of his descent. This is the main purpose of his descent. Anugrahasya Bhaktana Manusim Deha Astitaha Bhajate Tadriskrida Tasrutva Paro Bhavet. That is also, I can show you, this is in Bhagavatam it is written. So this Prabhupada has written 80 volume of books. Prabhupada says whole lifetime is not enough to read. So we must read this, otherwise how we can understand this philosophy? And without understanding this, how can we go back to Godhead? Without understanding this. So your hearing is that. Very, very important. Anugrahasya Bhaktana Manusam Taya Astita Bhajati Tadriskita Yasrutta Tat Parabhavet. Very important verses that Krishna comes because Anugrahasya, to show mercy to all the living entities who is suffering in this obnoxious, notorious, nefarious material existence, to extricate from this entanglement. Krishna descends to reclaim us back to Godhead and bring back to Godhead. Therefore he is telling Bhajate Tadriskrida. He comes and enacted such a wonderful pastime, extraordinarily wonderful pastime, so that we will be attracted to him. We will divert our attraction to the material things, material sounds vibration, to spiritual sound vibration. That is Krishna Katha, the topics about Krishna, the pastime, the entourage, paraphernalia, everything about Krishna, names, forms, everything. That is whole idea. He is helping up within and without. What is within and without? Without he is coming as a spiritual master, coming as a books. Without he is coming as a form, temple, deity form to help us. And within as a super soul, he is helping us. So whole idea how Lord is magnanimous. Therefore we should understand. Without understanding the Lord, a person, we cannot understand his Krishna Katha, Krishna Lila. Without understanding we cannot. There is no question of tattataha. Krishna say, Janma karma chami divyam evanja beti tattataha. In truth one should understand my karma, janma karma. And for that we have to read. Therefore books are the basis. So there is a very important, indispensable to read Srila Prabhupada books. Consequently, we will fall down from the Maya. We will be victim of Maya. There is no doubt there is no doubt and dispute of the fact that we will become the victim of this Maya if we do not read regularly. At least Prabhupada said 2 hours read. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Kirtaniya Sadahari. That is the that is the purpose Prabhupada is writing so much books just for the elevation of our consciousness for us. And there are so many benefits of hearing the Krishna Katha. It is one of the beautiful verses I will show you, that it is say that, very 10, 11, 6, 24. This is one of my favorite verse, Yani te charitani isa manusya sadhava kalo. Manava sadhava kalo. Srivanta kathanta cha tarishyanti adnasatamaha. So how to cross this ocean of Kali? We are being thrown into a middle of the ocean, and we do not know how to swim in it. So how to cross this Baitarani river? How to cross this material ocean of material nations, material existence is very difficult. It is said that there are so many sharks, so many dangerous. Maya is so strong, dangerous animals are there. So how to cross this? Here it is done. Yani te charitani sa. Yani te charitani. Yani means your pastime. Charita means pastime. Isa means Iswara, the Supreme Lord. Manusya sadhava kalo, those who are saintly person. Human being, those who are very saintly person in this age of Kali. Sinvataha kathayanta cha, by hearing and discussion. That is very important. Discussion. Hearing and discuss also. Discuss about the Krishna Katha. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also, Chatur Sloko, that Madachita Madagata Prana Kathayanta cha Madbhakta Kathayanta cha Bodhayanta cha Parasparam Kathayanta cha Mam Nityam Ramanti cha. So Kathayanta cha Mam Nityam. So the devotees, they are always talking Paraspara Anukathanam. Always they discussing about the Krishna Katha. So here say Ani the Charita. So here it is say that Tarishyanti Ajnasa Tamaha. The Tarishyanti, they can cross over they will cross over easily. Anjasa Tamaha. Easily the darkness can be easily crossed. The ocean of darkness can easily be crossed. Ajnasa, Tarishyanti Ajnasa. Easily crossed by simply Sinvataha Kathayantascha. What that charitani? Yani te charitani isa. Yani te charitani isa. By simply hearing the Krishna Katha pastime, you can easily cross. That is 11.6.24 verse of Bhagavatam. And there are so many other verses, so we can go through it. That as it is said that in Srila Prabhupada say that the how it is so interesting, how this new thing. Prabhupada said that I learn new thing from this, new things from this Krishna Katha, reading my books, because it's not like a stale, it's not like a newspaper. Yesterday newspaper you do not like to read in dump. All these magazines, material magazine, mundane literature, that is stale. There is a law of satiation. This is called law of satiation. It works in material realm. If you repeatedly do something, you will be satiated. But in spiritual realm, it doesn't work, because it is Nava rasa. Everything Krishna is Nava. Advaitam Advaitam Anadir Anantarupam Anantarupam Adyam Purana Purusam Navajovanam Cha Vedesu Dullavam Adullavam Atma Bhakto Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Vadami. Krishna is Nava. He is Nava. He is very Navajovanam Cha. He is always ever fresh. You cannot see Krishna as very old man. Even Jamunacharya said Navanamarasa. Davidi Mama Chita Krishna Padaravinda. So Navanamarasa. So this is new rasa. I am experiencing new rasa. Here also it is said that Tadaiva Ramyam Ruchiram Tava Ruchiram Navam. Beautiful verses, Srimad Bhagavatam 12, 50 actually. तदैव रम्यम रुचिरम नवम नवम तदैव शासन मनसा महोत्सवम. It is a festival to the mind. The Krishna Katha is festival to the mind. And तदैव स्वकन्नव शाश्व शोषणम नन्नम स्वकन्नव शोषणम निन्नम यद उत्तम श्लोको जस अनुगायते anugiyate. So beautiful verses it is say that tadaiva ramyam ruchiram. Those words describe the glories of all famous personality of Godhead are attractive. Ramyam means very attractive and releasable. Ruchi means releasable. And navam ever fresh. This is ever fresh. Therefore Prabhupada said that I always learn something new. Every day I found something new. By reading even the same thing, he found new thing. Nava. Prati shloke pati akhre nana artha ka. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that. Krishna tulya bhagavatam vibhu sarvasraya. Krishna tulya bhagavatam vibhu sarvasraya. Prati shloke pati akhre nana artha ka. Every word, every sloko, new things. Every day new things it says. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying to Sanatana Goswami that Soyam Bhagavatam, this all the books are Krishna Swarupam, in Krishna himself. Krishna himself, non-different. And by reading these books, we can cross the ocean. Apara sansara samudra setu. Apara sansara samudra setu. Bhajamai Bhagavatam Swarupam. It is stated in Padma Purana that, तद तमेव तमादिदेवम करुणानिधनम तामल्लवन्नम स्वीदवतारम अपार संसार समुद्र सेतु भजमयी भागवतम स्वरूपम. So it is said that Krishna is non-different from this Bhagavatam, non-different from his books, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam. It is all literally incarnation of the Lord. And that is non-different from the Lord himself. And it is meant to apara sansara samudra setu. This sansara material existence is unfathomable. And to cross this is very difficult. And these books are like a breeze, so that easily we can cross. That is the whole idea of this. Krishna is coming and enacting pastime. The idea of purpose of Prabhupada writing volume of books so that we can read. That reading is also hearing. You read means hearing. So that reading, by reading Prabhupada books, by hearing Prabhupada books and Krishna Katha, we can cross over this material existence, which is very difficult. Samasritet pada pallava padam. Samasrita, this pallav, this is very, very difficult to cross. Mama maya durataya. Krishna says, Mama maya durataya. So to easily cross that by simply taking shelter of these books, by hearing. Samasrita pada pallava. So here it is said that yad uttama sloke jasonungayate. By simply hearing, it will dry up the ocean of misery. And it is a perpetual festival of the mind. Manochavam. We need mind, want to become, to happy. Therefore, we are not working on the body actually, we are working on the mind. Therefore, when mind is attached to these material things, we have problem. We have psychological problem. We have social problem. We have political problem. We have historical problem. We have all kind of problem. Therefore, to make the mind to always release, always fresh, always vivacious, vibrant, and always, happy, blissful, we need to, monoksha mind needs to have a festival, that is perpetual festival. How it is possible? Simply by hearing Krishna Katha. It is said that tadaiva saswan manoso mahouchavam. You can see the verse, tadaiva saswan manoso mahouchavam, festival of the mind. People are not hearing that. Therefore, you see, recent news is that there is a tremendous increase of the suicide rate. Why this tremendous increase of suicide rate? Because they are not hearing Krishna Katha. They are suicidal. It is said that in the very first verse I showed you that they are, what is that called? Ka uttama sloke gunanubada puman birajjate vina pasughana. Pasughana means those also killer of own soul. They are killer of own soul. Because they are so much into frustrated by the material sound vibration, they are suiciding. Because the mind needs feeding, and that feeding is Krishna feeding is nectar. Other than Krishna feeding is all material feeding like a poison. And this is the nature of materialistic people, that they prefer to drink the poison, reject the nectar. Kulasekara is rightly pointing these verses in Mukundamala, that aschajam etam manusya lokam sudha parityaja visam pibanti namani gochurani namani narayana gochurani taktya anya katha kukam patanti. He told that how these people in this Kali Yuga, that how they are so much frustrated that they have given up the nectarian. Mukundamala, we can see Mukundamala 25 verse, I think. There are so many verses of Mukundamala that it is said that how these people are so much then another verses of Mukundamala is here. It is said that one who hears the description of the Lord Janardhan pastime and glorious quality, but whose bodily hair fails to bristle in ecstasy, whose eyes fail to flood with tears of pure love, such a person indeed most degraded rascal, but condemned life he leads. See, they are not at all what to speak about ecstasy. They are not at all interested or prefer to hear Krishna Katha. How degraded Kali Yuga. People are totally not disinterested about Krishna Katha. Apasyatam atma tattva gruhesu gruhamedina. Therefore they are suffering. They are undergoing all this tribulation, trials, trouble of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is really pricking them, pinpricking them. Concomitant factor is problems actually. COVID problem, here problems. So how many people are dying every day? Still we are not coming into the terms that we are in a death queue, we are going to die either today or tomorrow, either COVID or some other disease. We have no solution for that. We are not finding out the solution. How foolish we are. But we are passing as if we are PhD, we are CEO, we are great, educationist, we are great educated people. But we are not educated people. We do not know how to get out from this dilemma and disharmony of material existence. Therefore, the books are basis. Prabhupada said that this is for the intelligent class of people. They are leaders actually, but they are so much attracted to material education. Therefore, if they hear it, they hear and learn it and put into practice, realize this transcendental knowledge, then other general people will follow it and things will change in the world. Otherwise, we are going to suffer. Therefore, in our devotees are really highly recommended to read regularly, to keep up sustain their bhakti. Bhakti is sustained by reading, by hearing. Otherwise, it will not sustain. The chanting cannot be pure, your service cannot be perfect without hearing. Therefore, Sravanam, first Sravanam, Kirtanam, Hari. Sarvanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu. The Sravanam is the beginning, the first parameter, the first things in bhakti. So we have so many verses. We can see that how important the benefit of chanting. It is there that pravishta kannarandhena sunam bhava. There is another verses I will show. There are so many verses. Let me go through some wonderful verses. The benefit of hearing the Krishna Katha. This it is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 285. Pravishta kannarandhrena. If the Krishna Katha enter into the ears, sonam bhava saruraham dhunnanti samalam Krishna, our infection will be cleansed. Samalam Krishna salilasya jatha sarat. Salilasya jarata. The sound incarnation of Krishna, this Krishna Katha, when it enter into the heart, then all this clean dust of material association will be clean. All the dirty things which has been, which has been accumulated since time memorial, Chaita Darpana Marjana. Therefore, Kirtaniya Sadahari, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended. It will be clean. Just like, if for the week, just example can be cited that for a week you have not cleaned your room, it will be so dirty, all dirty becoming piled up. Similarly, if we do not read regularly, then all the dirty things will be piled up in the heart. And from time memorial means it is more hardened. The dirty thing becomes so difficult to clean, it will take time to clean. Therefore, regular, just like you are regularly taking bath, we should regularly hear Krishna Katha. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Therefore, books reading of Prabhupada books reading is mandatory. Prabhupada has given mandatory to read my books. So one more beautiful verses we can see that how by reading Prabhupada books or hearing how so much benefit we are getting. So not only it is cleansing, it is nectar, it is make us easy way to going back to Godhead. Here 10:38:12 beautiful verses. It is said that all sins are destroyed, all good fortune is created by Supreme Lord, quality, activity and appearance, and words that describe these three things animate, beautify, purify the world. On the other hand, words bereft of its glory are like a decoration on a corpse. All these useless, whimsical, useless talks, ideal talks, which is bereft of Krishna, without Krishna, that is like a decoration of the corpse, dead body. You put dead body, decorated dead body, what will happen? Useless. If you decorate a dead body, what will happen? Nobody also will care for it. Nobody will be attracted by decorating dead body. Therefore, it is said that all this is decoration of dead body. On the other hand, it is so fortunate position, one good fortune will come, all the sins will at once destroyed. One is here. Therefore, Sankirtana means, Kirtana means, Kirtyatiti Kirtana means glorifying the Lord. And hearing and chanting, that is Kirtan. Kirtan constitutes of hearing and chanting. Therefore, it is said in Srimad Bhagavatam that Yamraj is speaking these verses, Sukadev Goswami is speaking to Parikshit Maharaj, that how important this Tasamad Sankirtanam Vishnu Jagan Mangalam. You want to real Mangalam, in any benefit of the whole world. Mangalam means auspicious performance within the world is simply by hearing and chanting the holy name of the pastime of the Lord, glories of the Lord. Jaganamangalam amhasam mahatam. Amhasam means it destroy. The mahatam means gargantuan sin, stupendous sin, gigantic sin also can be. Apikorabhya vidhi aikantika niskritam. Try to hear, try to take it very seriously, Rajan, O King Parikshit. This hearing and chanting process is so purifying, it will purify, it will bring auspiciousness to whole world. And not only that, it will destroy, even the sin is so huge, so great, so enormous. Even though it's like a mountainous sin, the sin like mountainous, mountain like sin can be destroyed simply by hearing Krishna Katha, hearing and chanting Krishna Katha. Therefore, reading books is very important. Reading books takes two things: reading by you are chanting by reading, also hearing. So, reading books is books are the basis. That is what Srila Prabhupada said. That is ABC association, books and chanting. Recorded chanting. Prabhupada said that books are recorded chanting, So, I can show you one more verse. The verse after very, very important. These verses are like, that the James Nectar verses. Later on, I will put into a app or any website that these verses are very, very important. Then we can go to of course, Sukadev Goswami is speaking very nice. Yat kirtanam, yes maranam, yat ikkhanam, lokosya sadhya vituna, yes mandanam, yes sravanam, yat arhanam, tasmei subhadra sarvesya namanamo. So he is telling that your pastime, your activity, hearing your yes sarvanam, your kirtanam, yes maranam, everything is so purifying. It will cleanse sadhya vidhunati. Kamlasam, all this dirty thing will be immediately will be cleansed. So it will and bring auspiciousness. So one you beautiful verses I will show. This is spoken by the Parikshit Maharaj to Sukadeva Goswami, that he told in 10th canto. He is telling the 4th day, I think, he is telling to Sukadeva Goswami that please tell me something, because he is about to die. So one is about to die, what he should do? Actually we are all about to die. Yudhishthira Maharaj is very nicely speaking that ahani bhutani gacchati yam amalayam sesastavara icchanti kim aschajam atad param. So ahani, every moment you can see the news nowadays, like India is like rising every day. Today I saw the news that there are thousands of people died. Thousands of people is positive now. Found positive, COVID-19 positive, coronavirus positive, they have been detected. So 1,000 people are dying. Ahani, bhutani, every moment we can see, you just open the newspaper. And whosoever not infected, they are thinking, no, I am not going to be infected, I am going to live forever. That is astonishing, stupidly astonishing. Not only astonishing, stupidly astonishing. What is this wonderful, astonishing thing? We are going to die, we are in a queue. Aur harati bai punsam udyan cha astan. Aur harati bai udyan cha astan. Every sunrise and sunset we are decreasing our duration of life. Only person who is near, who is not decreasing, that is Uttama Sloka Bharta, those who is hearing Krishna Katha, who is glorifying Krishna Katha, he is not decreasing. Although it seems like he is also decreasing, no, he is going back to Godhead after death. He is not going to take birth again and again. He will stop the repetition of Uttama Sloka Bhartaya. This 2, 3, 17 of the Bhagavatam, it is said that Udyam Astam Channapi Ka Uttama Sloka Bharta. Only person who is really escaping from this death, every day dying, we are reducing, that person who is hearing Krishna Katha. Therefore, in these beautiful verses, Prahlad Maharaj is speaking like Yana avatarana Sri Rajopacha Yana avatarena Bhagavana Harishwara Karoti Kanna Ramyani Mano Jnanichana Pravaha. Beautiful verses. Yes Rinvataha Paiti Artir Vistrina Sattam cha Sudyati Achirena Pumsa Bhaktir Harotat Purusha cha Sakhyam Tadeva Haram Bada Manyasya Chet. Beautiful verses. He said, King Parikshit said that my Lord Sukadeva Goswami, all the various activities exhibited by the incarnation of Supreme Personality of Godhead are certainly pleasing to the ear and to the mind. Mano Utshavam, just like we hear 12:15, Mano Utshavam, Saswan Mano, perpetually festival, not only just temporary festival, perpetual festival. Simply by one hearing this activity, the dirty things in one's mind immediately vanish. Our problem is not the body, dirty thing in body, dirty thing in mind. We are working under the mind. Mind is the controller of the senses, body. So mind, the dirty thing in the mind will vanish simply by hearing this different pastime of the Lord. Lord comes, yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujam mayam. Pritranaya sadhuna vinasaya cha duskritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami jugati. Lord descends different incarnations. Ramadi Murti Sukalani Yamanatistam Nana Avatara Makaroda Bhuvani Sukintu. So different incarnations he comes and he enact activities. By hearing that activities, all this our mind, which is a dirty thing in the mind, will be vanish. Immediately vanish. Not only that takes time to vanish, immediately. If you bathe in the Ganges, it will take time to purify, but here it immediately. And generally we are reluctant to hear about the activities of the Lord. Sure, we are not interested in Krishna Katha. Apasyatam Atma Tattvam Gruhesu Gruhamedina. First, Sukadeva Goswami starting Bhagavatam with this kind of verses. Oh Rajan, these people are not interested. And they are reluctant to hear about the activity of the Lord. But Krishna's childhood activity are so attractive that they are automatically pleasing to the mind and ear. Thus one's attachment for hearing about material thing, which is the root cause of material existence, vanishes. See, The root cause of material existence is that what is the root cause of material? That is, hearing about material things is the root cause of our material existence. So simple method, simply by ear is the gateway. Hearing is the expressway to Godhead. Hearing is the expressway to Godhead. So easily we can go back to Godhead. It's an expressway. No, expressway you can reach fast. So easy and fast way to reach. But we are not interested. Therefore, Krishna is coming with incarnation, enacting his childhood pastime, different varieties of pastime. Variety of pastime. It is said that in one of the verses that prapancha nisprapanchapi vidambayase bhutale prapanna ananda prapanna janatananda sodham. Different varieties of pastimes he enacted for the Janatananda, those people, this devotee, to please the devotee, to please the saintly person. So those one attachment of hearing about material thing, which is the root cause of material existence, vanishes. So our root cause of material existence is the hearing about all the whimsical, useless, nonsense thing that will vanish simply by Krishna Katha. Therefore, Lord is anugrahasya bhaktanam manusamdehi astitam bhajati tadris krida yasruta tat parobhav. Therefore, Krishna comes. His magnanimity, ocean of magnanimity, unparalleled magnanimity of the Lord, unparalleled mercy of the Lord, so that he comes and to reclaim us, purpose of reclaiming us. And one gradually develop devotional service to the Supreme Lord, attainment for him, and friendship with devotee who give us contribution of Krishna consciousness. See, if you think it fit, kindly speak about this activity of the Lord. See, he is telling Parikshit Maharaj about to die within 7 days. He telling, no, please tell me something about Krishna Katha. Why Krishna Katha? My attachment for material hearing, it will vanish, because it will vanish. And not only that, we will gradually develop the devotional service will develop. Jassangha Sriyamanayanam Krishna Parama Purushe Bhakti Utpadayate Punsam Soko Bhaya Upaha. It is said 177 verses, it is said that by hearing Krishna Katha, all the 4 benefit will happen. Devotional service to the Lord will sprout up. Second, vanish of lamentations. Soko moho bhaya upahaya. Soko means lamentation, moho means illusion, bhaya means fear. Everything will vanish by simply hearing Krishna Katha. Here also telling the same thing, Parikshit Maharaj reiterating the same point, that gradually devotional service develops and attachment for him also develops. The attachment, asakti, that will develop. And friendship with devotee will give us the contribution of Krishna consciousness. See, that is very important. So devotee association also, it will develop a devotee by hearing Krishna Katha, devotee association. Because we hear from the devotee, so we develop Krishna consciousness, that therefore our friendship with devotee also give us the contribution of Krishna consciousness. So please, therefore, you speak about the activities of the Lord. So this Krishna Katha is so potent in so many ways. It's like a nectar. It will, all our material desire dry up, all our infection will be cured, and not only that, it will give us all our lamentation, illusion, and fear will vanish. Also, it will give us bhakti, which is the way to go back Godhead, to get out from this material existence. So many benefit of reading Prabhupada books. Therefore, books are the basis. We must regularly read Prabhupada books. Otherwise, we cannot understand Krishna Katha. There is no question of entering into the, purify our heart. Sinnatam Sokatha Krishna Punya Sarvana Kirtana. That is the process. Process has been given. We have to follow the process. Otherwise, we cannot. Not only that, it is said that you want to say, everybody want to see the Lord. Can you show the Lord? Can you show the Lord? Yeah, you can show the Lord. We will give you some formula. Yes, everybody telling, can you show, have you seen the Lord? Prabhupada says, every moment I see the Lord. What do you mean by that? I see every moment the Lord. Why he is saying that? Do you think is a lying? Is such a great Acharya, such a great devotee of the Lord? Do you think he is lying? No, he is not lying. So he is not lying. Here it is said that why he is saying that Srila Prabhupada, because Prabhupada is hearing 24 hours Kirtaniya. He is speaking and hearing about Krishna Katha. Therefore he is telling, yes, I hear, I see the Lord everywhere. Yamam pasyanti sarvata sarvam jamai pasyanti. So here this verse is very, very important. It is said that, no, Sachira Devaraj Rishi Syad Achutya Kathasraya Sinvatah Saddadhanasya Nityadasyat Adhiyat. See, this verse is very nectar, 429:38. Sachire Devaraj Rishya, O best of king, one who is faithful, who is always hearing the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is always engaged in the culture of Krishna consciousness, and in hearing this Lord activities, very soon becomes eligible to see the personality of Godhead face to face. See, everybody want to see Lord. Can you show me God? Can I see God? Yes, you can see it. Never mind, you can see it. But easy process, hear about Krishna Katha. Simply hear. It is said that by hearing, always engage in hearing the glories of the Lord, you will, it says that you can eligible. That is the qualification. One should have a qualification. What qualification you should have to see the Lord face to face? Just like Arjuna sing the face to face, and Gopis are sing face to face, Jasoda Maiya sing face to face. How we can see the Lord face to face? Simply the process is that hearing the glories of the Lord, constantly hearing, always. Satatam kirtante mama jajanta yajanta sadriddhavata namastantascha madabhakta nityam jukta upasate. That is devotee symptoms, always hearing. Therefore they can see the Lord every moment. Every moment. That is the process, not that simply can you show the Lord what you are hearing WhatsApp, YouTube, all nonsense, political, sociology, Bollywood, Hollywood, and you want to see the Lord. You want to see the Lord, come and hear Krishna Katha, come to temple regularly, hear Krishna Katha. Then you can see the Lord face to face. Face to face, not just like deity form. Face to deity form also non-different, but face to face you can see, simply by hearing. So these are all these important, important verses that how we can see the, Krishna himself is, so there are so many verses are there. Even Kapila Dev is speaking in so many times, in so many verses Kapila Dev is instructing to Devhuti that, so perfection in self-realization cannot be attained by any kind of yogi unless he engages in devotional service to the Supreme Lord, for that is only auspicious path. The devotional service to the Lord has to be always, So that is, and that devotional service means hearing process actually. So he is telling, engage constantly in chanting and hearing about me. That is important, 325:23. Madasuti, see, Madasraya Katha Mirishta. Srinvanti kathanti, again Sravanti kathanti cha tapanti vividhastapaha. See, Naitan madgatei chetasaha. Beautiful verse. Engage constantly in chanting and hearing about me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The sadhu do not suffer material misery. Everybody want to escape from COVID, this misery, that misery, material misery. They have no idea what is the process, what is the solution for this. The solution is given that engage constantly in chanting and hearing about me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The sadhu do not suffer from material misery because they are always filled with thought of my pastime and activity. See, your ears should be filled with the thought of the pastime and activities of the Lord, and that will make you to free from the material miseries, escape from the material misery. That is what beautiful verse. Sravanti kathanti ja tapanti vividha tapaha. All this vividha tapaha means various type of material misery. COVID-19, this 19, this, that, all kind of material misery. All kind of material misery. That will be vanish, free from that, escape from this misery simply by get the respite from this all material misery, various misery, simply by hearing Krishna Katha. Hearing Krishna Katha. Mada Asraya Katha Minister. Mada Asraya. You about me. Mada Asraya means about me. Katha means story. Asra, Mishra. Mishra means very delightful. That is delightful. Very, very delightful Krishna Katha. 325 verses is also Satang Prasangam Amavirya Sambinda भवन्ति उत्कन्न कथा, भवन्ति उत्कन्न रसायन कथा तज्जसनाद अपवर्ग वर्तमानी श्रद्धारतिर भक्ति. So this is the best process, easy way to go back to Godhead, reading Prabhupada books. That is called hearing Krishna Katha. Express way to Satam Prasangam Mama Virya Samhita. Hear with devotee, more realizable. Bhavanti Hirkanna Rasayana Katha. It is already delightful. It is more delightful when you hear from devotee. Hear with devotee, hear from devotee. Sukhamukhad Amrita Darbha Samjitam. Amrita Darbha, when it is Sukhamukhad, it is emanating from Sukadev Goswami, Bhagavatam become more realizable. More realizable. Sukhamukhad Amrita Darbha Samjitam, Pivatam Srimad Bhagavatam Alayam, Muhu Aho Rasikaru, Muhu Aho Bhavukaru, Muhu Aho Bhavaru, what is that? Nigamakalpatalu Galitam Phalam Sukhamukhad Amrita Darbha Samjitam, Pivatam Bhagavatam Rasamalayam, Muhu Aho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka, Muhu Aho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka. Realizable by the liberated person also, is so realizable, so delightful, simply because spoken by the Sukadev Goswami. It becomes nectar. So this is the way that how is very important of hearing Krishna Katha or reading Srila Prabhupada books. Reading Srila Prabhupada book, so important. So I will, there is although so many verses are there, so one of the last verses I will, before I winding up the classes, I will show you one of the very important verses, which is phrasing the hearing of the Krishna Katha and reading Srila Prabhupada books very regularly, you know. It is said that in 1811 by Jada Bharat speaking, very beautiful verses, we should remember this, memorize. Yas sanga labda nijaviryas bhavyovam. Yat sanga labda nijavirya bhaibabam. Tirtham muhu samapya samspritam hi manasam haranti ajananta ajantaha shrutivir gata angajam. Kobhai na sattva mukunda vikramam. So here it is said that by associating with a person from whom Supreme Personality of Godhead Mukunda is all in all, one can hear his powerful activity and soon come to understand them. See, by associating with devotees, particularly the pure devotee who are really dedicated to Mukunda, and if you hear from them, that means you are reading the Srila Prabhupada book. Prabhupada books means pure devotee. So Srila Prabhupada, by reading Prabhupada books or hearing from Prabhupada, what will happen? We will we can understand them, soon come to understand them. The activities of Mukunda are so potent that simply by hearing them one immediately associate with the Lord. See, it is so potent that as soon as we hear, we associate with the Lord. That is the potency of the hearing, you know. And not only that, for a person who constantly and very eagerly hears the narration of the Lord's powerful activity, the absolute truth, the personality of Godhead in the form of sound vibration, enter within this heart and cleanses it of all contamination. See, if you hear the powerful narration activity of the Lord, when it enter into the heart, it cleanses all the contaminations, totally cleanses. And on the other end, although bathing in the Ganges diminishes bodily contamination and infection, this process and the process of visiting holy places can clean the heart only after a long time. See, if you take bath in Ganges, it will take a long time to cleanse all the infection. And if you go to the pilgrimage places also, it takes long time. But here itself, it is said that if you hear the Krishna Katha from a devotee, pure devotee, what will happen? You can understand them and it will cleanse the heart immediately. Therefore, who is the sane man who will not associate with devotee to quickly perfect? See, therefore it is said that who is the sane? That means who is that person who will not read Prabhupada books regularly? Only these people, those who are stubborn people, stubborn rascal, they will not study. Otherwise, those sane people, the devotees who are the serious, they will read Prabhupada books regularly. Here it is said that who? Therefore, who is the sane man who will not associate? That means who will not read Prabhupada books. Who will not read books. Kobhaina sattva mukunda vikrama. Mukunda Vikramam, the pastime of the Lord, and glorious activity. Vikramam is glorious activity of the Lord. Who will not hear? Who will not hear? Who will not read Prabhupada books, which is full of these glorious activities? Therefore, books are the basis. This is fundamental thing. We have to develop the culture of reading the books. Otherwise, we will be in a problem. We will jeopardize our Krishna consciousness. We will jeopardize our bhakti if we do not hear Krishna. We do not read Prabhupada books. We do not read. It is very, very important, very imperative, very indispensable, very mandatory, compulsory to read Prabhupada books every day, regularly, without fail. Just like without fail, Prabhupada used to translate. Wherever he is, without fail, he used to translate the books. 1977 also he was translating some. He was very weak, still he was speaking, translating. That is Prabhupada. That he knows that how important, potent of Krishna Katha. He cleanses immediately and brings us back to Godhead. He what we say, paralyze the preponderance influence of Maya, which we have been pathetically entrapped to get us out from this, preponderance influence of Maya. This Prabhupada has written volumes of books so that we can read and hear and get out and go back to Godhead, to frankly march towards the Godhead. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. So we should have all these educated people, they must have a commitment. All the disciples of the Hare Krishna movement must have this commitment of reading Prabhupada books. That is really, we love to show our love to Prabhupada, or show our gratitude to Prabhupada, how he is in the dead of the night, early morning he used to get up for us. He is so much laboring hard for us, that really we want to really show some gratitude, means we must read his books. Otherwise, there is no gratitude for our spiritual master. It is tantamount to be disobeying spiritual master. Our Guru has written so many books and I am not reading. It's tantamount to be disobeying the spiritual master, and it's offense. As a result, we cannot advance. There is no question. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. All goes to Srila Prabhupada.